Hi, everybody. I hope you like my background. Um, so this week we are in week 11. I feel like the time is flying by, and you're almost there. I want to send a couple of reminders. First, week 14, at the end of week 14 is the project due date. So, we are in week 11. There's a couple more extra credit opportunities, project part 5 and project part 6 between now and then. So look out for them. They deal with the last couple of slides for the project. So if you have any questions about that, let me know. And then just look out for those extra credit opportunities. And this week, you guys will start to get into hypothesis testing. You see type 1 and type 2 errors. And I post and I talk about specific things that you guys will focus on when you do your confidence intervals and your hypothesis testing. You'll have 3 cases, right? So the first case is mean with sigma known, your population standard deviation known. So you'll be running tests based on that situation. So from week 1, I had told you, know the difference between a sample and a population. You know, know the difference between a value coming from a sample statistic, and a value calculated from a population parameter. And we have symbols and variables to indicate the difference. So, we talked about X bar versus mu, or S versus sigma. So these are really important things, especially as we get into these different cases that you're going to see. So, I want you to really practice when you read these word problems, practice pulling the information out, practice, converting the words into variables, understand what the variables mean for the situation. Try your best to do things like that and practice, because there is a bit of repetition involved with hypothesis testing. There is a bit of repetition involved with confidence intervals when we go through the methods, the processes, the conclusions, the interpretations. There's a bit of similarity there. It's just a matter of which case it is, pulling the information out of the word problem. So it's you could do it, but you have to practice it. So let me know if you have any questions. You could do it. We're almost there. Keep your eye out for those extra credit opportunities. We're getting close to week 14, which is when the project is due. Remember that the semester project is required. Project parts are extra credit, not required. However, they do go over the project for you with feedback. So anyway, please email me, send me a Teams chat if you have any questions. Okay? All right, let's go.